When she looks at me, I know the girl say things nobody else can see. All of these secret fears inside, and all the grace inside. She looks into my soul and with me like nobody cares. And she doesn't just demand, she just takes me as I am. I'm what makes she believes, and that lady, something I never know before. Come what makes she believes, and that love us help me open that door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows those are the times, there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and don't let me believe it's true. And when I'm in my darkest hour of uncertainty, she just simply let me be, and goes right on loving me. Come what makes she believes, and the lady, something I never know